Chinese medicine is a bit mysterious, but we're going to decode it together. 10 years ago, I had an autoimmune disease, and in the West, all the doctors said it was not possible to heal. So at that time, I didn't want to believe this, and so I started to look for different methods and different healing methods. And so I precisely and deeply looked into the Chinese medicine because to me, it's something that is really convey a sense of health and understanding of the human nature and of the life itself, and a lot of wisdom. And so using Chinese medicine and other types of medicine just it allows me to heal. Chinese medicine has a very, very long history. Also has influenced other countries of traditional medicine before. Chinese medicine basis is actually the Chinese traditional philosophy of the yin and yang and the 5 elements. So it's very close to the Chinese other traditional ways of thinking. There's also Yao, Chinese medicine itself. So for example, here we've got Sheng Di. You can see that this is a root, and this is considered as a medicine in Chinese medicine. What is very interesting in Chinese medicine is that it seeks to treat the root cause of a patient's issue and not only heal the symptoms. So that's its real value.
我们把这个手放到上面。
好的。
你感觉自己情绪紧张吗？现在？
比较紧张。
比较紧张。
对。
整体的脉象里面，2个中间的部位的脉都偏稍微大一点。左边的是跟这个刚才讲，一个是情绪，一个是肝胆系统。好，如果今天有时间的话，我们可以去做一下治疗。好，
可以。
行，
谢谢。
那我们今天就扎一下这个胆经和这个肝经上，然后选2穴。
So this one doesn't hurt, it feels comfortable. Feels like it's relieving some of the, maybe of the tension or too much that is in my head. This one is still hurting, it's like someone is crushing my head off. When he is pressing the point, it feels really hurting, really hurts. But afterwards, when he puts the needle, it feels very comfortable. It's like the needle is like healing the thing.
这是我们这边的一个特色葫芦灸它里面有4个大的艾柱可以同时燃烧，能够改善我们盆腔里边的血液的循环。
After doing the whole process, I feel a spirit is different. It's not just the body that is relieved, it's also my mind that is more peaceful. I think I would like to do this probably once a week. I don't know if that's the... Say that it's very 很宝贵. Yeah, it's a real treasure. A real treasure. I really hope that this such a wonderful treasure, I can transmit this to more people so that more people can benefit from this.